Craig Hunter here from Bay & Bay. I'm the Regional Safety Advisor here, and I'd like to talk to you today about winter preparation tips or winter survival kit you should keep in your truck. Winter clothes, heavy jacket, blankets, mittens, boots, socks and hats. Dress in layers. Drinking water. Non-perishable food. Flashlight with extra batteries or charger. Spare set of wiper blades. Spare light bulbs for both the tractor and the trailer. Cell phone with charger. Bag of sand or cat litter to help with traction if you get stuck. Toolkit, including screwdrivers, pliers, and electrical stripping device. Matches and or a lighter. Light sticks. Hand warmers. A whistle. Ice scraper with snow brush. Snow shovel. Jumper cables. Windshield washer fluid. Anti-gel fuel additive for both the tractor diesel tank and reefer diesel tank. First aid kit. That seems like a lot, but if you find yourself stranded one day in the cold, you'll be glad you have these things. Thank you.